your inner temple. New Hermetic Meditation. To use many of the tools of the New Hermetics, you will need a temple. To create your inner planes, it's really just a matter of imagining it into existence. This imagery temple acts as the connecting place between you, your conscious mind, and the endless expansion of the collective unconscious. Now that you have gained a few skills, you are ready to create this temple. It may seem like a silly exercise at first, an exercise in imagination, but it will grow more and more powerful the more you use it. The New Hermetics Temple is based on the formula of tarot cards, the world, with you in the center between the four elemental forces and the greater expanse of the inner universe above you. You may have already created an inner temple of your own in your previous magical work, and I am in no way trying to replace or supplement that inner temple. However, the inner temple design that follows is specifically for the use with the New Hermetics tools, and you will need to create this temple in your inner world in order to get the most out of the New Hermetics. You can certainly continue to use your own inner construct for other purposes. This temple, merely your New Hermetics inner temple. You can also feel free to dress up this temple in any way that you like, as long as it contains the basic elements outlined below. Enter the altered state. And once you are fully relaxed, let your entire body be heavy, fully and totally relaxed. Visualize that you are in a hallway or a cave. Move through this hallway or cave, noticing vividly the textures, the smells, the sounds. At the end of the hallway, create a door. If you don't see this door right away, tell yourself to experience a door, and it will appear. This is the entrance to your temple. Open the door and step in. Visualize your temple as a bare room with 4 walls. All although you may eventually fill it with any objects you want as the need arises. Look at the far wall directly in front of you. This is east. This is the east of your inner temple. Make this wall yellow with your imagination. This will be the location of the element air. You may visualize this wall more as a window with billowing yellow clouds behind it. Feel a warm breeze. Hear the rustling of the wind. Any beings or forces having to do with the elements of air will live in and manifest from this wall. Visualize yourself turning right clockwise around to the south wall. Make this wall red. This will be the location of the element of fire. The element of fire. You may visualize this wall more as a window with fiery red burning flames behind it. Feel the hot flames and hear the crackling of the fire. Any beings or forces having to do with the element of fire will live and manifest from this wall. Visualize yourself turning right clockwise around to the west wall. You may see the door you came through in this wall, but it does not have to be there unless you need it. Make this wall blue. This will be the location of the element of water. You may visualize this wall more as a window with flowing blue water behind it. Feel the cool moisture and hear the sloshing waves. Any beings or forces having to do with the element of water will live and manifest from this wall. Visualize yourself turning right clockwise around to the north wall. Make this wall black. This will be the location of the element earth. You may visualize this wall more as a window with black crystalline stone formations behind it. Feel the cool hardness and hear the creaking of earth. Any beings or forces having to do with the element of earth will leave and manifest from this wall. Look up above these walls. Instead of a ceiling, visualize a starry night with a starry sky. Any beings or forces having to do with the stars or the planets will manifest from above you in the starry expanse. Look directly above your head. Visualize the globe of pure white light from your initiation directly above your head. This is your connection point with cosmic consciousness. It will always be there in your inner temple. Look around at your temple and begin to orient yourself within it. Use all of your inner senses to make it as real for you as possible. This is the place where your magic begins. When you are ready, turn to the western wall and visualize a door. Step through the door back into your usual bodily awareness, returning to normal awareness, knowing that your temple will be there again the next time you need it.